Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Just wanted to give you all a quick heads up because I don't want you to miss these insane deals going on at paracordweavers.com because it's Black Friday. So now that you've all spent your time being thankful during Thanksgiving, let's get some more stuff to be thankful for. Okay, just kidding. But anyway, this Black Friday you'll be able to get 50% off 550 cord on all colors, 25% off Paracord kits, and discounts on our amazing jigs. And we've even got some new kit bundles. You want to make some Big Larry? Big Larry's got you. How about some Chuck Larry? We've got you too. It's a great time to restock in case you plan on making some gifts for family and friends over the holidays, or if you plan on gifting some of our super fun and unique project kits. Don't delay because the sale ends after this weekend. But most importantly of all, guys, thank you so much for your support on the channel and on the store. Check all those deals out over at paracordweavers.com, links in the description and pinned comment. I'll see you there.